but perhaps we'll be talking about that later. Mexico. Good. And our economy. You're wrong. To be president of this country, you need tremendous stamina. Cocaine.